tonight we have more leads, more testimonies, more evidence of a cover-up in the Disha and Sushant double homicide. Ladies and gentlemen, the nation's focus is on the Disha Salian's partner Rohan Rai. We have credible information with us today that the Mumbai police knows about his whereabouts. If yes, why are they hiding the facts from the CBI? And why is the CBI not pushing them? Let's debate.
The entire focus in the last few days has been on Disha Salian's partner, Rohan Rai.
Surprisingly, from Disha's death till today, there has been no one has heard about this guy called Rohan Rai and what is his stand on the entire Disha Salian episode. Why isn't he coming out and saying it was a suicide and this is what has happened?
Those who knew Disha Salian will tell you it can't be suicide.
मतलब she was very normal उस वक्त.
Sir, she was a very normal girl. Sir.
हाँ, तो कभी आपको बातचीत से लगा कि ये सुसाइड जैसा डिसीजन ले सकती है?
नहीं सर, नहीं, ऐसा तो मुझे नहीं. उनका पता नहीं चलता.
वरुण के साथ किस तरह के रिश्ते थे उनके?
बहुत अच्छे थे सर, बहुत अच्छे थे.
अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छे थे. She was a very nice girl, sir. So she was one of those very positive people.
And those who know where Rohan Rai is have gone silent.
I was told that he had a shoot this week in Mumbai.
I actually can't divulge any information on him, so I can't speak on this. Thank you.
So is he around in Mumbai?
I can't speak on this. Thank you.
The CBI is looking for Rohan Rai, but they won't have to look too far. It appears the Mumbai police is aware of his location. They were informed.
हमारे सोर्सेज ये बता रहे हैं कि रोहन राय हरियाणा में है और बाकायदा मालवानी पुलिस को उसने लिखित में ये रिक्वेस्ट रेज की थी कि उसे किसी शूट के सिलसिले में बाहर जाना है और मल्टीपल लोकेशन के साथ साथ उसे हरियाणा भी जाना है.
So where is Rohan Rai? And if Rohan Rai has nothing to hide, why is he on the run? Is it because even the CBI is aware that he came down late after Disha's death? Or is there more that he knows, perhaps about possible injuries before the fall?
And one important information I would like to give based on the pattern of injuries on Disha's body. Definitely there are two sets of injuries which I noticed. One set of injury is due to fall and another set of injuries were before the fall. That means definitely there were injuries before the fall which need to be investigated, and the presence of two different sets of injuries, that is the injuries due to fall from height and other injuries, definitely leads to the possible homicide.
So you are saying that she was, from what you're reading of the information is, that she could have been subject to trauma before, Savio, this is big, subject to trauma before fall.
The Disha Sushant homicide could just be India's biggest cover-up. But we won't let that happen. Let's debate.